I'm here in the middle of nowhere. There is no there, it is cold there, but I am safe and I am warm. Although it's hard, I know I gotta keep up. No time to late, to drift away. I find my space, I spend my time down the rabbit hole again. And as I fall, I can feel the pain. You can't tell me where to go, so I don't know, I just go with the flow. I go with the flow. I'm falling up, I'm falling down, from the sky and from the ground. Up above just like below, and I don't know where I should go. Cause I'm stuck in limbo. Cause I'm stuck in limbo.
Hey dolls, I'm Sheenam Inferno and welcome to episode 2 of Indian festive makeup. Last time we finished by cutting our crease. Today let's add some color.
I look around in everything.
Before you go on with the lid color, don't forget to clean up the wing with the concealer and blend it with the rest of the skin. This will help to achieve a better finish at the end. Because my lid color is a powder pigment, I'm going to wet my brush with a setting spray before dipping it in the pigment. Instead, you can also use Inglot Duo for the same. As our lid color is deep and bold, we have to be specially precise along the crease we had cut. Later in the video, you will see me using a tiny pencil brush to get the job done. If you decide to use a light lid color, it will be much easier and you need not be so precise with the borders. If you find my videos helpful and worth the love, please support me by subscribing to my channel and sharing it with everyone around you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. I feel a winged eyeliner really completes the look, so go ahead and draw one. You can complete the eye right here, or you can take it to the next level with just a few simple steps. By the way, do you want us to be more connected? Do you want to catch all the sneak peek behind the camera? Then you need to follow me on Instagram at Sheenam_Inferno. So what are you waiting for? Let's get closer. I will love to know what you guys want me to do next and what kind of content you would like to see. So please don't shy off from commenting down below. To take the look to the next level, I will smoke up my under eye as well. I will start by filling my waterline with black with the same L'Oreal gel liner, and after that, it's exactly what we did on the top. Start by packing the dark green real close to the waterline and follow by smoking it out with the shade Portion, that is the olive green. Start with a left to right sweeping brush motion to apply Portion, and once you have got as much color as you want, fade it out with circular brush strokes. The trick is to take your time with the blending and going back and forth with the colors to make it look airbrushed. To wrap up the eye, I'm highlighting my inner corner and the brow bone with the shade Zoba from the Juvia's Place Saharan Palette Volume 2 that will be shown in the blush and highlight segment. And of course, how can we forget NYX's Wicked Lashes on the lower lash line? I always have eyelash extensions, but if you don't have them, go for top lashes as well. I'm going to bronze up my cheekbone and my hairline with Elizabeth Arden Sunset Bronzer, which is amongst my top picks. You will also see me bronzing and blushing my nose and my chin, because lately I've been loving doing this. I'll follow it up with the shade B from the Juvia's Place palette and rose up my cheeks a little more. Blushing and bronzing are very important and brings back the life to your face, so never skip it. For the highlight, I'll go with the shade Zoba again and shine up the high points of the cheek and the nose. You can go a little more crazy and shine up your temple, the chin, and even your Cupid's bow.
Set aside all the thoughts that provide the solution. Tear up our minds at the sight of confusion. Our hearts won't remain addicted to delusion. Blind to the fact that our love's an illusion. And I wait for my fate to arrive with complacency.
I'm using Red Spirit by Makeup Factory. They call it a pearly matte finish, and I have fallen in love with the color. It somehow is not too light or not too dark and matches perfectly with the color of the eyes and of course the hair. Take my words, you will feel so glam wearing this look that you will fall in love with yourself. And that is what I want to do with my videos. I want us to feel like we have never felt before.